Hi, I'm Salma. I'm 12 years old and I'm in Singapore right now. If you don't really understand what digital skills is really for, then like I don't think you'll get really that far because I digital skills is kind of like the base of everything. Probably when I joined BSD, my mom kind of like convinced me to get into technology a bit because she thought like, what if my daughter was such a good technologist and becomes a software engineer? So I was like, I gotta make my mom proud. So I think I was really into technology from a very young age. I think I have a pretty good relationship with technology, although sometimes it doesn't really cooperate that well with me. My school actually had the BSD course for, I think, web development. Yeah, and so we usually have like different units, and one of them was coding, and the others were like robotics and cardboard arcade, something like that. An air hockey game, and I had to code it so I could sense the ball going through the goal and I could increase the score. It's kind of like a special moment you won't forget. It's like your first 3D print. It's like amazing. Like all of your hard effort like finally pays off. Because like I really like gaming so much, I kind of want to see what happens like behind the scenes and try to make my own. Like try to become maybe like the next Rockstar Games or something. 10 years, I'd probably be graduating college. So yeah, I think I'd be like probably getting a majors in software engineering. Maybe just start with a bachelor, but I think I'll go into a major. Try to get a job, maybe at somewhere nice. My mom wants me to go to Google, and that's probably like my major goal for the future, to work for Google. But I think definitely not going to start with Google, but maybe like Microsoft or something.